Good morning, students. Today we are moving to the second poem in English, that is if. What do you mean by with? If. If is nothing but an conjunction, we say that. Okay? It is nothing but conjunction, it joins words or sentences. But in this lesson or in this poem, it has a lot of meaning in it. Okay? Right? So, just read out this poem. If you have a kind word to say, say it now. If you have something to give it now. If you can make someone glad or another less sad, do it now, do it now, do it now. If there is any good news to give it now. If there is a friendship to show, hope you can raise, or someone you can praise, do it now, do it now, do it now. If you have a trust to bestow, give it now. If there is a courage to give, pain you ease, pain you can ease, or someone you can please. Okay, do it now, do it now, do it now. This poem is written by Anon. Anon is nothing but anonymous, we can say that. That means where we don't know that unknown author or unknown poet, we can say that. But from the collection of the poems, it is one poem that is introduced for your syllabus, we can say that. And in the beginning itself, they have given, see, giving is important in life. To give someone something, you must yourself be kind, strong, and charitable. You must not be hesitant. You should not be hesitant. Okay, so let's begin the poem. If you have a kind word to say, say it now. What does that mean? That means if you have anything to say kind words about any person or your friend or a teacher or a parent or a relative, who you'd like, or to give him some or you or with whom you are very pleased, so we have to say kind words to them. Okay, isn't it? When you like to tell them some kind words, you have to tell by that time itself, because if you don't do so, what happens? You may not you may not have an opportunity to express that those kind words once again to those persons, or what actually you want to quote, or what in what way you want to say, show the kindness to them, may not be shown after some time. So when you get that words to say, or when you feel to say kind words to someone, for their help, or for their goodness, for their kind nature, or good character, you have to say kind words to then immediately, for it will be late and you may not quote or express the words, or emotions, mm, after some time. It's like, if you want to tell, okay, let it go. I will come afterwards. In the same way, if you have something to give, give it now. See, this is very important. In the beginning itself, it says that happiness is in giving, not in taking. Our always hand should rise. Our always hand should be like this. It should be always like a king. You should always be like a king or a badshah, or a great person who is always ready to give and not to take. This is the quality of a receiver, and this is the quality of a giver. So our hand should always rise for giving and not for taking. Okay, if you have something to give it now. Okay, why? Because I think that you want to give, just think that you are sitting at home, and suddenly you, from the house itself, you hear a beggar, amma tayi bhiksha needri, something like that. Okay, and at that moment your father has given you 10 rupees or something like that, some amount it is with you as a pocket money. And when you hear that beggar asking for money or asking for something. So at that time, you made up your mind to give something to the beggar, but somewhere he's far, somewhere he's not in front of your home, he is maybe one or two three houses away from your home. At that time itself, when you get something like to give yourself, you have to go and give it to him. Okay, if you wait for some time, what happens? If you are waiting for him to the beggar to come to your home, automatically your mind may changed. Instead of you have first earlier you made up your mind to give 10 rupees, but when the beggar is next, okay, when the beggar is, if he has crossed one house and is at the second house, at that time your mind will set for 5 rupees. And again, if he has come for the third house, again your mind will set for 2 rupees. And then when he comes to your home, you decide to give him only 1 rupees. Why? Because when you so it is the quality of man, or sometimes you know that devil, it may be playing some things, it may be things playing things in your mind, why you have to give such a good amount to the beggar. Hmm? Let it be, just reduce the amount. So same like that. So that is the reason, when you get, when you want to give something, or when you want to give in something in to the people or for the help, at least you have to give it at that time itself. For that it will be late if you wait for the if you wait for see, there is no time to do good, no time to, we should not wait for what do you call that, for doing good. For doing good we should not wait, we have to do it immediately. If you want to do something wrong, then you have to take 100 times. When you think 100 times not to do wrong, by the time you'll get the courage not to do the wrong. But when you are intending to do something good, we have to do immediately, we have to do immediately. So that is good for you, as well as the person who you are helping him. Okay, deeds, good deeds are written in your name, and the person who is receiving also, he will be blessed. And they are very near to the god. The person who is receiving the help from you, he is very near to god, he is very near to god, and he may give some, he may bless you, he may bless you with your sorry, with his words, so that god may be pleased, to give you a good life, a good and honest life. Okay, then if you can make someone glad or another less sad, do it now, do it now, do it now. Right? So, how can you make someone glad? Think that you have a friend's birthday party. How does it look when you go with the bare hands for a birthday party? Isn't it? So, when you buy a present for your friend, and when you give him in his birthday party as a surprise to him, so he'll be wondered, he will be, at least he will be happy, he will be happy for your gift. Right? Not only that, by even by helping to the people who are in distress, who are poor, who are poor, who are in necessity, who are what do you call that, who needed your help. Hmm? Isn't it? For such peoples, if you help, no doubt, you can make, in this way you can make someone glad by your actions, good actions or good deeds, we can say that. Or sometimes we can make another person less sad. Okay, if you can make another person less sad, you have to do it then itself. For example, you think that you are playing in the ground, and suddenly one of your friends uh, f- uh, fell down. Okay, and you start laughing at him. Okay, instead of laughing at him, you just go and raise him up, you just go and raise him up, so that you can console him. Everything will be okay, there is nothing, no wounds are there, and you are not hurt. You are brave, something like that. So in this way you can make someone a little less sad, we can say that. Okay, so for the time is very less within us, so we have to do it now, do it now, do it now. Immediately you have to do whatever the thing you want to do in a, what do you call that, that is good for you and others. you have to do it immediately, that you should not give more time for those things. Okay, when you are intending to do anything bad, you have to take thousand times, so that God will give you a good peace of mind not to do that, right? Mm. Then if there is a good news to give it now. Okay, and then if there is friendship to show, hope you can raise, right? See, if there is a good news to give it now. What does that mean? What good news you want to give, right? For example, think that, just take example of me itself. I'm a class teacher, mm, and I write the register of the students, and all. The child who was getting second rank or third rank, fourth rank, now if he has got first rank, he will be very pleased. He will be very happy. But I wanted to express this to him, hmm? and or think that I had told it to one of my friends, but I have not told that person who has got secured that rank. And actually, I wanted to tell that person, but I thought of telling him after 2 days or after 3 days. Okay, so what happens? The person, the same thing what I did, I shared with one of my friends, and my friend, he told that she or he has secured first place, hmm? Something like that. He will be already surprised with that, and will be not okay. And when the same news if I give him, he will not be pleased with that. He says that I knew it, sir, I knew it. So you may be sad to hear that when your student says like that, isn't it? So it's better when you know it, when you have some good news to give, you have to give it immediately, so that that person will also be pleased, and you will also feel happy, right? Hmm? Right. And then if there is a friendship to show, hope you can rise. See, if you want to be a friend of someone, so you may need not wait for more time. Immediately you have to go and raise your friendship. That means you have to offer your friendship to he or she, okay, with whom you are interested. You can have the friendship with them, and with this you can develop uh, a friendliness, and then trustworthiness, loyalty, okay, and exchanging your thoughts and ideas. Hmm? In this way you can be good friends. In this way you can be good friends. It's not like they have to come and approach you for friendship or something like that. If you go and be a friend of other person, if you offer friendship, our friendship, there is nothing wrong in that. We are not going to lose any prestige, but instead we'll be liked for our kind nature. We should not be arrogant in our life. We should not be arrogant in our life. Here they have to come and approach. Why should I they have to talk me, they have to talk to me first. Why should I speak to them? See, anyone has to speak. If you speak, he will be speaking. If you say, if you want him to speak first, so that may not work out. That may not work out. We have to leave our ego. Okay, ego is nothing but ನಾನು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. So that we have to leave that. I am the boss. Everything is run according to my will and wish. That is that only kills the person. Okay, but it will not be fruitful. So we have to leave our ego down, and we need to develop friendship with the person whoever we like, and we should be trustworthy and loyal and honest to in that means in our friendship. Okay, if you have trust to bestow, that means what I said, that we have to be true to first. We have to be true to our self, true to ourself first. ನಮ್ಮಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. We do not need to care for others. Okay, but we have to expect the same from your friends too. Okay, and you need to help each other, because friendship, there is a proverb, a friend in need is a friend in deed. Friends are those who comes in times of our distress and stand by stand, um, in helping us. It's not like when you get trouble and suddenly your friends move away. That is not called friendship. It is not called a friendship, but it is called like a business or time pass, something like that. But today, nowadays, we can see friends with benefits. Friends with benefits. If you have money, power, you will get many friends. At the same time, when your pocket is empty, when your pocket is empty, your property is empty or something like that, no friend will stand with you, that is not called, that is not a friendship. Okay. A friend is one. When you make mistakes, he has to correct and he has to tell you not to commit this, and you should be in your good and bad things. Okay, you should be helping to take you in a right way or right path. So they are the friends, and nowadays we see friends for namesake. When they are with us, they will be good, and behind our back and behind us, they will be speaking very badly about us. Okay, that is not the friendship. A friend is person who tries to cover him all the time, right? If there is courage to give, if there is courage to give, pain you can ease, or someone you can please, do it now, do it now, do it now. See, if there is a courage, if you have the courage, ಆ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಆ ಸಾಹಸ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ, if you have the courage to give it now itself, give it now itself. Pain you can ease. For example, if you can ease someone's pain by kind words, by good deeds, by helping them, you can comfort them, to overcome the pain, to overcome their pain, maybe emotionally or physically, in whatever the manner it is. Okay, pain is not just physically, sometimes it is emotional pain. Mind or brain. Hmm? Brain is, you can see brain, but we cannot see the mind. What's happening in the brain we cannot see. We know that heart is there, ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಹೃದಯ ಅನ್ನೋದಿದೆ, ಆದರೆ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೀನ್ ಇಟ್, ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ see it, isn't it? So like this itself, if you have the courage to give it, whenever you get a time or a chance, you give it immediately, you don't wait for that. And if you want to pain sorry if you want to ease the pain of someone else, try to comfort them, try to console them. Sometimes people are physically hurt, and sometimes emotionally and mentally they are hurt. Try to say some kind words to so that to them say some kind words to them, so that they could come out of that problem. Or help them in overcoming their problem physically and mentally or emotionally. Or someone you can please, and you can please anyone who you like, anyone who you like. But don't please the people to gain a favor, you can you understand my words? Okay. Sometimes many times company we work in a company, or in area where you are given the task or work. In order to please our superior officers, we do all sorts of things that we should not do on our duty, by making a favor to them. Okay, right on. So that expecting something in return from them, it is not a favor. It is not it is not good. It is not good. When the things are not right, and if you do the such things to in order to please the superiors or something like that, that you should not do that. You should not do that, right? Be good to yourself. Hmm? That is good. So finally, do it now, do it now, do it now. The poets, she says that when you are intending to do something good, you do it, do that time only, immediately. Or when you want to give something, charity or something, dana dharma. hmm? So like that, do it immediately. Or if you have some kind words to express about someone, say kind words to them immediately. Hmm? Or if you want to have a friendship of someone, so go and approach him immediately. If you have the courage to give happiness to others, give it soon. Or if you want to ease the pain of someone by comforting them, by consoling them, by helping them in many ways, do it then itself. Okay, don't wait for do it uh, immediately, but don't wait for the things to come. Okay, we don't know that. Mm, we don't know tomorrow what's going to happen, or what the next minute, or next hour it is going to happen, for we have not seen the future. Okay, we are not seen the future. So when you are living in present, whatever the things you do it, you do it for the right, and whatever you feel good, you do it then itself. So that you should not wait for the what do you call that, other day to do that work and all, right? So it's from the poem Repetition. Now before it is too late, now is the time for the good deed. Do not wait until tomorrow, for it may be just a little too late, right? Now before it is too late. Now before it is too late. Now is the time for the good deed. Do not wait until tomorrow, for it may be just a little too late. See, one thing I want to tell you, this corona, you know that? Corona? Right. See, this corona has taught a good lesson to all of us. Okay, and this is applied to this poem. For example, think that if you wanted to visit the temple, uh, or Dargah Sharif, or masjid where you can have regular prayers, or church. Okay, when there was no corona, you are actually intending to do that. ನಾನು ಗುಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಟು ಮಸ್ಜಿದ್, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಟು ಚರ್ಚ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೇ ದೇರ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟೆಂಡಿಂಗ್, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್, ಯು ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್. ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರೈಸ್ ದಟ್, ಆರ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು what do you call that, adopt in your life. But what happened? Corona started. Due to that corona, everything is under lockdown. Even the gods are sitting in their places, waiting for the devotees come, but devotees are uh, not able to go there, isn't it? Right? Not only that, even the people who waited for their many things for like job opportunities and all, everything was shut down. And people who wanted to meet some relatives and all, they did not meet them. For them it was just like too late, like in the poem. That is the reason, when you are intending to do something right or good for others, so we have to do it at that time itself. We should not wait, we should not take it, we should not take more time in doing those things. Okay, and here some meanings: bestow on someone is nothing but give someone, trust, giving trust or happiness, like that, right? And this is the question and answers. So what you have to do is try to answer the question and answers. Try to answer the question and answers using this explanation and the textbook, and you can even quote in your own words. Okay, see, there is a meaning: procrastinate. It is nothing but delay. It is nothing but delay without good reason. Without good reason, doing of some necessary act, delay action, keep on putting off action. You wanted to do, but you are putting off. ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಇವತ್ತಿದ್ದು ನಾಳೆ ಮಾಡೋಣಂತೆ, ಮತ್ತು ನಾಳೆ ಬಂದರೆ ನಾಡ್ದ ಮಾಡೋಣಂತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗುಡ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗುಡ್. ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮೇಕ್ ಯು sick and useless. Okay, you need to do hard work, in the sense you need to do that hard work. It will be good for you and for the people. Thank you.